Everyone knows the Great Wall of China, but here's the crazy part. It wasn't the first. Long before the wall we see today, ancient China already had huge forgotten walls stretching for miles. Back in the 7th century BCE, rival kingdoms were fighting for survival. Their weapon? Walls. Not fancy stone, but massive barriers of packed earth, wood, and trenches, built to stop enemies in their tracks. Check out the Chu Wall, protecting its kingdom, or the Wall of Qi, running hundreds of kilometers across hills and plains. These weren't just walls, they were some of the first mega projects in history. And get this, these walls weren't just about blocking enemies, they were about strategy and survival. Imagine cavalry charging full speed, only to be stopped by a giant wall of dirt. Then, in the 3rd century BCE, China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang, didn't start from scratch. He linked and expanded these older walls, making the very first version of the Great Wall we know today. Over time, dynasties rebuilt and extended it until it became the iconic wonder we all recognize. But without those early walls of Chu and Qi, the Great Wall might never have existed. So next time you see the Great Wall, remember, it's not just one wall, it's the last chapter of a story that started hundreds of years earlier. Love simple history and amazing world stories? Curiosity starts here. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and let's explore the extraordinary together.